Hello, hey Cinderella, how's it going? Uh, Alright, so today like every other day, we keep working on the damn shipbuilding. Your workspace is being moved due to war in Israel. Is your office in Israel? Hmm, scripts. Um, it's still a lot of confusion and difficulty to design this whole thing, but I think it's getting there. I think the system uh, slowly getting there. Slowly getting there. I feel like it's very over-engineered, and there's probably a much more simple and elegant solution to do it, but I don't know what it is. And there's too much stuff that interacts together. Maybe I've been going about this a bit wrong in the sense that I've been trying to figure out the whole system, and maybe I should have been trying to build it in a more brick by brick way, you know? Yeah, scope is too big, yeah. I mean, it's not like scope of the game is too big or of the features that I want to put in, because, well, in the sense that I think this feature is going to make the success of the game, in the sense that it will make it replayable and it will make it interesting to yeah, to just like come back and play more games. So because of this I feel like it's completely worth it, but um I feel like I could have done a better job of like splitting this down into like maybe easier to manage breaks. And I haven't really done that, you know, like, because there's definitely different areas of the system. Like, you have mm, technically, like, I could split it with like there is an asset management area. There is a statistics management area. There is an upgrades management. There is a ship layout management. Um, mm, how much will the game cost? Depends how you calculate it. If I calculate it including cost of opportunity, not working an engineering job right now, it would be a crazy amount. But I think it's kind of a fake cost in the sense that mm, money isn't the only thing that matters. Although I did really love what I was doing at my last job, like even though it wasn't gaming, it was really interesting. It was rendering, and I was working with very smart people. Um, but yeah, and I guess the way to do it is to calculate my expenses. I don't know, I think like probably every month it costs me like 1,500 euros, something like that. So, provided that I can finish it in a year, will be roughly like 18,000. But then I don't know how much money I would uh, invest in other things, like maybe could be assets. I'm thinking of investing into a marketing course because well, there is a big um, discount on Chris Zukowski's course right now. That and is doing some kind of partnership with CodeMonkey, and yeah, there's a big discount, but it's still $280, so it's not nothing, definitely. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna have to spend. Like maybe hiring people. Maybe I'm gonna have to hire someone to make music. Maybe not. 'Cause, technically, that's something that I could do, but I don't think I'm very good at it. So, and then there's all the graphical assets. I've decided to go for a somewhat simple style. So, uh, and Nix is going to do part of the graphics. So, and she volunteered to do stuff for free because she wants to get a lot of experience. And as much as I don't like the idea that she works for free, but at the same time, since I don't know how much I need to, um, I don't know how long I have to hold on with the runway money that I have. So the fact that she would do that is extremely beneficial for me as well, you know? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like, for me, if the game works, she will definitely get some kind of parts of the profits. Uh, well, depending on how we work together, but yeah, yeah. The difficult part is that I don't know how long I'm gonna have to develop, and so it's difficult to really know how much of the money that I used to live I can use to invest in the game. So I don't know. I feel like I want to try to invest the latest possible if I have to, but at the same time, I do need to put up a Steam page at some point, and I need to have the graphics. I mean, I need to have the final style of the game before I do that because I don't want to like start putting on a Steam page that has content that is not what the game is going to look like. That is much worse than what it's gonna look like, you know? Because the thing is, when you create your Steam page, you get an initial boost of visibility because I guess Steam is going to just push you, and maybe it's gonna try to start to gauge whether your game is going to hype people or not. Mm, Steam page is unlisted by default until manual review. Yeah. Mm, well, I guess that initial boost only happens when you publish it, but I mean, hmm. Yeah, I don't know if I could. If it's unlisted, can you actually access it still? Like, if I give the link to someone, can they go and like wishlist it? Mm. Mm. I mean, I would expect it works like this, but mm. Still works. I have a lot of info in here also. Mm. This seems very. This seems like the opposite of what usually happens. Like they say it's very likely. Well, actually, you can read this. It's very likely that the game won't be at the best at the launch, but every video that I've seen from people that have launched their games have had like the most massive spike at the launch, and then it just dwindles down from there. Mm, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about this at some point. Alright, but first, we need a game. Mm, so, the thing is. Mm, So right now we have a bit of a weird setup where this is going to say which ship is used. This is going to say which upgrades are available, not which upgrade, but which ship modules are going to be available. And the whole thing is instantiated on the ECS side. Because we need prefabs for this stuff. Mm. And yeah, so that means when yeah, and the ship has to be instantiated in the entity side. And it also works kind of well because at the end of the day, our prefab is made up to be baked as entities, so I actually don't think I want to change that. So the question is right now, are we actually loading this properly? And I'm pretty sure that's not the case. Because yeah, we're also getting random ones from our entity with the module assets. Yeah, and we do need a link. So let's go back to Miro real quick and see our spaghetti diagram. So we've got I haven't even started to incorporate these parts in here. This doesn't even exist at all. Oh, that's funny. I don't even have a ship asset, do I? God damn. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of split about this diagram. I feel like it's not helping that much. mm. Mm. Because we also have a ship asset, and I don't have this in here, do I? Yeah, all assets are around here so far, and yep. So, I mean, we could have this as our prefabs mm, manager. And I felt like that would be good because it would be its own thing. That's not what I want. Let's have some like round stuff. And so okay, I want some kind of orange for this. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, it's a bit gross, but what can I say? This whole system is disgusting, yeah. Shit. I don't know if there's a way to like link everything together. That's actual link. What's this? Alright, well, it went into the abyss. Now it's here. Yeah. It's is was this useful for? Oh yeah, it does work. Okay, nice. Okay, that's nice. This is nice. Okay, create some more. Um, I mean, yeah. God damn it. It like how does it work sometimes and What the fuck? Oh, the whole thing just froze? Okay. My whole computer just froze, I guess. What the fuck? There's no way. The whole thing just froze and just the music is still going. Are you fucking kidding me? What is this? Great. Well, rebooting